In Palm Coast, Flagler County Sheriff deputies were on a mission to apprehend a wanted felon and stumbled upon a startling discovery. Armed with their faithful canine companion, the deputies were prepared to sniff out any signs of trouble. With precision and determination, the canine swiftly detected something suspicious, leading the deputies to investigate further.
Do it now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hey, hold here. Hold here.
Following the canine's lead, the deputies tracked the scent to a truck, where they made a startling discovery. Hiding beneath the truck, the wanted felon was caught red-handed, attempting to evade justice once again. On November 22nd, 2022, chaos erupted at the pub in Ohio when bar staff called the APD to report a disruptive and intoxicated guest.
You're not going to try to grab stuff off my shirt. That's not going to happen.
The defendant, clearly intoxicated, was causing a disturbance. With the defendant refusing to comply, officers were left with no choice but to handcuff her and take her into custody.
Go up to regional. She tried to pull away from me, so.
No, I really wasn't.
You really were.
No, I
So we're going to really take a walk right over here, and we're going to go to regional jail.
In the end, the defendant was taken to the regional jail for a 6-hour hold, serving as a sobering reminder of the consequences of reckless behavior and the importance of maintaining order in our communities. In a surprising twist of fate, what seemed like a run-of-the-mill encounter with a pushy salesman in Palm Coast, Florida, turned out to be anything but ordinary.
So you have a warrant out of Texas. You know, have you been to Texas?
Have I been to Texas?
Failure to appear?
No.
Okay, well that's what it's for. Okay, it's active, full extradition.
What began as a concerned citizen's report about an overly assertive security system salesperson quickly spiraled into a tense situation when law enforcement stepped in. The salesman tried to justify his presence, but suspicions were raised when officers uncovered an active warrant for his arrest in Texas.
around. I just put something on your back. The handcuffs can come off as quickly as they came on.
That's terrible.
All right?
It doesn't have to be on. I haven't done any. If I was going to run, I would have ran.
Despite the salesman's protests, officers had no choice but to detain him in accordance with the extradition warrant. The Flagler County Sheriff's Office conducted a drug bust, resulting in the seizure of marijuana, leading to the arrest of a suspect.
Do you have a medical marijuana card? When's the time you smoked in your vehicle? Okay. Is there any weed left in the vehicle currently? Okay.
During the investigation, officers questioned the suspect about the presence of marijuana in their vehicle. As officers searched the vehicle, they discovered a significant quantity of marijuana concealed inside.
Who's your brother? Okay. So, and that's not, personal use, obviously.
Despite the suspect's attempt to justify the possession of such a large quantity of marijuana, officers remained skeptical. With the evidence in hand and the suspect's admission, deputies moved forward with the arrest, underscoring the consequences of illegal drug possession. In a heart-stopping moment caught on camera, a dog fights for its life in the icy waters of a frozen pond. With each passing second, the danger grows more imminent.
Come on, baby. Come on, he's a good girl. Come on, he's a good girl. Come on, it's okay, he's coming.
Without hesitation, two officers prepare to execute a daring rescue mission. With the dog's life hanging in the balance, every second counts.
Come on, here. Good girl. Here. Oh, good girl. Oh, my goodness, you poor thing.
You're
With the dog safely in his hands, the officer signals to his partner, who stands ready on the shore with the rope. With a steady hand, he begins to pull them both to safety, the tension palpable as they inch their way back to solid ground. Officer Aaron Bulmer of the Topeka Police Department was responding to a routine call when he noticed something alarming. As Officer Bulmer approached, he saw 3-year-old Elijah Hamby struggling in the water, his arms flailing before he disappeared beneath the surface. Without hesitation, Officer Bulmer sprinted across the park and leaped into the pond, fully clothed, to rescue the drowning child.
Hey, start me some help. Call 911 for me. Start me at AMR 1039.
Despite being nearly 7 feet tall and stuck in the muddy bottom of the pond, Officer Bulmer managed to pull Elijah to safety. Here is a deeply touching and unfortunate story that unfolded in Eustis, Florida. Having lived there for 8 years, Fitzgerald found herself in a dire situation after falling behind on rent. As the eviction day arrived, police officers were called in to handle the situation. Bodycam footage captured the heartbreaking confrontation as officers attempted to remove Fitzgerald from her home peacefully. Despite the distressing circumstances, she refused to leave.
Back up! I only want to put her in my car! We would love to her!
In an attempt to avoid arresting the elderly woman, the officers offered assistance from various agencies. However, Fitzgerald reportedly refused any help, leading to her prompt arrest for trespassing at Franklin House. Here is a captivating story about the arrest of Kevin Gaines Jr. to share, and it involves a surprising twist with Instagram Live.
Dave, get to the house. He just...
During the arrest, Gaines was live on Instagram, unknowingly broadcasting the events as they unfolded. Deputy Billy Levin, spotting the vehicle at the given address, cleverly used Gaines's own Instagram Live video to confirm his presence inside the house. The spotlight directed into the window was inadvertently revealed in the live video shortly before it abruptly ended.
Get on the ground now. Get on the...
With this valuable information in hand, deputies and DeLand police officers swiftly surrounded the house. Gaines, recognizing the situation, surrendered without incident and was taken into custody. The exclusive footage from inside Area 51, obtained solely by EWO, sheds light on these daring trespassers who are anything but ordinary thrill seekers. Despite their cooperative demeanor, officers run their information to check for any outstanding warrants. Yet, instead of issuing both of them citations, the officer decides to cut them a break due to their cooperation. Jake and Judy express gratitude for the officer's understanding as they prepare to return to civilization, relieved to have narrowly avoided more severe repercussions. On November 1st, 2022, police officers sprang into action following reports of a disturbance at the local police station.
Put the golf club down now. Step over here. What's your problem? What you doing over there?
They told me they got a bike for me. Somebody called.
Relax.
And said they got...
The officers cautiously approached the man, instructing him to put down the golf club and cooperate. Despite the officer's commands, the man continues to display agitation and refuses to comply with their instructions.
You're being on your right. You grab it. Step back. And so we're going to secure you until we figure out what's going on.
Have a seat, sir.
All right? If you don't want to just chill out, sit down.
Man, I chill out.
As tensions rise, the officers attempt to calm the situation and assess the man's condition. As the situation unfolds, the man's behavior becomes increasingly erratic, leading to his detainment by the officers.